they got record.
No, I see.
Hey, fucker! Quit! Hey, get off my hat! Woo. I'm gonna fucking beat your ass.
Hell yeah! Come
Bitch.
park next to me. Go that way. I'm gonna tune.
Is she fucking skirting?
I'm gonna tune. Go where he's turning.
Hold on, what is this thing here?
Go where he's turning. Nate's mobile tune.
Is she fucking peeling out? Is that you peeling out?
Bro, I literally tuned. Were you skirting back there?
She was.
Hell yeah. You don't know how to reverse?
She doesn't know how to fucking drive.
I don't know how to drive, yeah.
Hey, you made it here.
Yeah, I know, right? That's something.
Fucking.
Oh, am I in your way? Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. You gotta turn. Go that way. 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 How did you rip the hard top? You ripped the top?
Pick me up, Daddy! Yay!
Yay, Barbie car. I finally did it.
Aw, dude, I should go take a shit with this on.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Hi.
What kind of Camry is that?
Because I
Fuck
have
the
it.
camera. And fuck you.
And don't hit the flame.
GS $4,000.
You're making my editing job way too fucking hard.
I'm sure you'll have
A
fun.
lot of out-of-pocket stuff, so.
NA2J GS, rear-wheel drive, 4-door, big body, slamming on the ground.
Yeah,
but I could get a 2JC.
Too bad.
Look at his boobies.
You're
T1000.
lucky.
Yo, is he getting a fucking haircut? Oh, he's really getting a haircut. No shit. Hey, just start disconnecting shit. I mean, dude, stop. I'm just kidding, dude. Hey, you need a haircut?
No way.
Yeah.
I'm going to terrible.
What?
I get points at terrible.
I really thought he was gonna say fuck the police.
Yo,
The CIA is watching you.
Nosferatu's. Clip strips.
Of course.
Oh, they're dancing though?
Guys, I'm upgrading my mortars.
I'm gonna sweat all over your headband. Already are.
I had that allocated for something.
I'm not gonna send you the money if you do that again.
You could walk on them. How funny would it be if we blew up his balls when he walked out here? I have a little like basketball pump. We could pierce a hole in his balls.
What, like an Austin Powers kind of deal?
Sure.
Shaka Zulu. Is it just like
I never liked him.
is it just like
Not bad.
consecrated?
It kind of tastes like cough syrup though. Where are you going?
Carby.
Shaka Zulu!
Bro, you need to stop smoking. It's bad for you.
Yo, I can't tell if this guy's like trying to order and we're just like in his way type shit, or I don't know.
That's what we were waiting for? We could have just left. Dude!
I have a question. How much are you gonna get the item for?
Would you like a Sunkist packet?
Sure.
Oh yeah, dude. It's all yours.
Go fight that one.
Oh shit, there is another
Go
drone.
fight
Is
that
that
one.
really another drone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go fight that one.
Go kiss it. That seems like a very dangerous game to play.
Nobody's gonna record my car meet.
Go.
Yeah.
Oh, it's over there. It's over there.
Where is it?
It's over there.
Yeah. Ram right into it.
He's so high up, dude. It's like he sees you. It's like he's intentionally going farther up. Okay, you're getting to his height though, for sure.
Am I on the way?
Yeah, he moved away from you. That's fucking scary, bro.
Oh, I found him!
Did you really?
I found him! There he is.
Do you think he sees you too?
You need to go a little
There's
bit
no
higher.
way.
Oh my god, you got so fucking close.
Oh, he sees you.
Charge him.
Is that him? I hear him laughing. I know, he fucking went all the way.
Yeah, I don't see him anymore.
He's all the way up there, dude. Straight up.
The red light that's blinking.
This is genuinely entertaining, and I don't like that.
Chemtrail.
There's a third one. I'm just kidding. No, there's not.
Wanna be bang, 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 bang.